Get ready for a hand clap and toe tap and good time for free at Friday Fest at the Van Wezel. Rebel Heart is a high-energy new country band that covers contemporary country's greatest hits, and they're here in studio with us for today's Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, guys.
Come on, baby, now rock with me. You sing the words and I'll bring the beat. No love song ever sounded this sweet. Come on, baby, now rock with me. You got my heart kicking like a big bass drum. Couldn't carry a tune until I felt your love. So hard to explain what you're doing to me. It's like you took my words and made a sweet melody.
I knew the second that I met you, baby.
Together we're a hit song, kind you wanna sing along. Come on, baby, now rock with me. You sing the words and I'll bring the beat. No love song ever sounded this sweet. Come on, baby, now rock with me. When you're gone, you got me singing the blues. I don't feel like rocking when I'm not with you. Sure, the groove ain't on your big guitar. Let's turn it up loud and we can shake the stars.
I knew the second that I met you, baby.
Together we're a hit song, kind you wanna sing along. Come on, baby, now rock with me. You sing the words and I'll bring the beat. No love song ever sounded this sweet. Come on, baby, now rock with. Come on, baby, now rock with me. You sing the words and I'll bring the beat. We're falling in love in harmony. Come on, baby, now rock. Come on, baby, let's rock. Come on, baby, won't you rock with me?
You can see Rebel Heart Friday night at Friday Fest at the Van Wezel. It is from 5 until 9 right on the Sarasota Bayfront, and it's free. Be sure to stop and say hi to us as well at our ABC7 booth. And for more information, you can go to vanwezel.org. Coming up next, we've got Southeastern Guide Dogs here with a puppy. We can't wait. But first, we want an encore. Rebel Heart, play us out.
We're gonna rock it out on Friday night at the Van Wezel from 5 to 9. All ages can come on now, 'cause Rebel Heart's gonna rock it out. We gonna rock it. Yeah, we gonna rock it.